Good day everyone. Let's tackle about cultural aspect. Cultural aspect encompass the shared values, beliefs, norms, knowledge, and material objective that define a society or a group. Cultural aspect influence people behavior, perception, and interaction, shaping their identities and social structure. They include language, religion, tradition, art, social rules, and ethical standard, all of which contribute to the unique character of a community.
Jose Rizal, a brilliant student and scholar, pursued education relentlessly. For him, learning was not a merely personal achievement, but a path toward uplifting his country. Through knowledge and critical thinking, Rizal envisioned social reform and a future where Filipinos could rise with dignity and wisdom.
In exile, Rizal joined forces with Filipino reformists abroad. The propaganda movement with its hub in Madrid and Barcelona sought to awaken Filipino conscience and eliminate the injustices under Spanish rule. Through printed words, they planted the seeds of national identity and resistance.
Rizal's rich heritage included Chinese ancestry, a thread woven into his identity. The cultural diversity of Manila's Chinatown influences his worldview, reminding us of the Philippines' multifaceted history, a place where East and West indignities of foreign and converge.